This is my homemade wire stripping machine. I built this because I picked up a couple rolls of old insulated copper wire that needed to be stripped. So what I did, I had a piece of 3/8 inch angle iron. What I did, I drilled a series of holes in it, not knowing what size hole I would need. I drilled basically one side of every drill bit I had, from 7/64, I don't know, up to 5/16. Anyways, the cutter, all it is a basic box knife blade. I bought a couple different kinds of blades, see which one would work the best. What I do, I have the blade, you can see the point right there. I got the blade sandwiched between two pieces of angle iron. The blade sits right down in the opening of the hole, so when the wire comes through there, the wire doesn't have any place to go, so it cuts the wire. It's real easy to adjust. If you need to, if you're stripping different sizes of wire, which I won't because I've only just got a few rolls of 14 gauge, you can put it in a different hole, and all you got to do is slide this back and forth and just put it over whichever hole, whatever size wire you're going to strip. What I did to wind it is, I've had an old blade spindle off a riding mower. I mounted it to my workbench, couple bolts. I got a 1/2 inch drill running through a Dremel speed controller, so it makes it real nice to control the speed on that 1/2 inch drill. And what I did, took a lawnmower blade, just cut it down, drilled a couple holes, got a 3/8 by, I don't know, about 7 inch 2 bolts, one on each side of the blade, winds it right up. We'll go ahead and turn that on and show you how it strips that wire right off. It'll strip it pretty fast if you can keep up with it. I'm not going to go real fast, so you can see. I'm going to try to strip it off as it's coming off. It comes right off really easy. Get the blade set right and just strip it right off. This is clean as can be. And it winds it right up on the. Winds it right up there. And that's what you end up with down there. Big old pile of insulation. You see it coming right through there, pretty slick. I spray a little WD-40 on it, on the wire. That really helps the wire slide through there real fast. So that's it.